Hey guys, last time we were together, we reviewed fact families. Today we're going to do something a little different. We are going to review what the equal sign means and then use that to balance some addition facts. First of all, what does that equal sign mean? What does it mean to be equal? Well, it means that what's on both sides of the equal sign have the same value. When I think about the equal sign, I think about a seesaw, and that's why I have this picture here. The middle of the seesaw, that little black part, the balancing part, that's like the equal sign. And if you have two people on each end, well, one person on each end, and they are the same weight, then it's going to balance. It's going to be even, equal. But what happens, like right here, when you have one kid that weighs more than the other kid? Well, the heavy side goes down, right? Then it's not equal. That's not showing an equal weight, is it? One side is heavier than the other side. We want them to be balanced, especially when we're talking about math. We want both sides of the equal sign to have the same value. That way we can prove they're equal. Does this picture show an equal amount of apples on each side of the equal sign? Yes. There are 4 red apples on one side of the equal sign and 4 green apples on the other side of the equal sign. It doesn't matter what color they are. It's the same value, the same amount. When you look at an addition fact, the numbers on both sides of the equal sign have to have the same value in order for it to be right, in order for it to be equal. So you see on one side of the equal sign, there's 3 plus 2, and on the other side is the sum, 5. 3 plus 2, if you put those together, that's 5 on the left side of the equal sign. And on the right side of the equal sign, you have the sum 5. 5 equals 5. That's what makes that addition fact equal. The same amount, the same value on both sides of the equal sign. Now, today, I really, really wish that we were in the classroom because this is one of my favorite activities to do every year. I have a set of balance scales, and we would use the teddy bear manipulatives and different things and make addition sentences out of them and balance them on the scales. Today, we're going to have to make do with this, unfortunately. But let's take a look at it and see if we can balance these addition sentences, these addition facts on this scale. Just like the seesaw, the middle is like the equal sign. If they are at the same, if both sides are at the same height, they're equal. If one side is heavier, the heavy side would go down. We don't want that. We want them to be equal. Okay. So 4 plus blank equals 3 plus 2. Well, before we can solve for that blank, we need to know how much is on the other side, the side that's not missing any information. 3 plus 2. We can do that, can't we? What does 3 plus 2 equal? 5. Right. So you have 5 on that side of the scale of the equal sign. We need the other side to also equal 5. 4 plus what equals 5? 4 and how many more makes 5 altogether? 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 3 plus 2. They both equal the same amount, so they are equal. Those addition facts are equal. Let's look at another one. 5 plus blank equals 4 plus 3. Well, let's solve the side that does not have any missing information first. What does 4 plus 3 equal? Remember you're counting on strategies. Put the bigger number in your head and count up. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So we need the other side to equal 7 so that it's balanced. 5 plus what equals 7? 5, 6, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. So 5 plus 2 equals the same thing as 4 plus 3. Those are balanced, equal. Whenever you think about equal, think about these scales. That means balanced. All right. 8 plus blank equals 5 plus 6. Where are we going to start? We're going to start on that side with no missing information. 5 plus 6. All right. Remember those doubles facts and then add one. Doubles plus 1. Remember that strategy? If 5 plus 5 equals 10, then 5 plus 6 is just one more. What would that be? 11. So we need to solve the other side. We need to make it equal 11 as well. 8 plus how many more equals 11? 8, put 8 in your head. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. So 8 plus 3 equals the same thing as 5 plus 6. I'm going to let you do a little bit more of this one on your own this time, okay? We have 7 plus 6 on one side and 10 plus blank on the other side. Now, this time the blank is on the opposite side of the equal sign. Does that matter? No. Nope. You solve it the same way. Start with the side that's not missing any information. Pause me while you solve that side now. All right. 7 plus 6, what does that equal? Remember your doubles facts. 6 plus 6 equals 12. So if 6 plus 6 equals 12, 7 plus 6 equals 13. Be thankful I didn't do the entire doubles wrap because I will. Yes. 7 plus 6 equals 13. So we need the other side to equal 13. Pause me while you're thinking. 10 plus what equals 13? 3. So 7 plus 6 equals 10 plus 3. Last one we're doing together. 8 plus 4 equals 9 plus blank. Pause me while you're figuring out 8 plus 4. Pause me now. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Good. So if 8 plus 4 equals 12, 9 plus what will also equal 12? 3. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So 8 plus 4 equals the same thing as 9 plus 3. Today's assignment, you're going to balance your own scales just like we've been doing here. There's going to be a missing number on one side of the scales, and you've got to figure out what's missing, just like what we were doing together. If you need some extra practice, I have a couple of good links here on the Soft Schools website, www.softschools.com. There is an activity where you can balance some addition facts, and also one that I had never heard of before today, a website called toytheater.com. It also has an addition scale game practice that you can do for some extra practice. If you need me, if this is just a little bit too difficult for you, you need some extra help from Miss Steele, Tell your parents to let me know, and we will work out an optional Zoom meeting. Okay. Let me know if you need me. Text me, call me, hit me up on Class Tag or Seesaw. Shout help from your front porch. Do something, but let me know and I will come a running. Okay. We'll see you next time, guys.